In this step-by-step video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add search bar on Google Sites. Now this is very quick and easy and free. Okay, you don't really have to pay for anything. I'm going to be showing you how you can add search bar to your Google site. Now first thing you need to do, guys, you want to search for this website. It's called Elfsight. Okay, now this website is free. Okay, you don't really have to pay for any subscription or anything like that. Just search for Elfsight on Google and you want to search for that, and then you want to select the first website. Okay, it's called here Elfsight 80 plus website widgets. Now click on that, and then what you guys need to do next, you want to click on sign up free. Okay, in the top right. Now you want to create an account on Elfsight. I'm going to continue with Facebook. I'm going to create an account or sign up using my Facebook account. Now after that, you want to click on catalog in the top here, in the top left. You want to click on catalog, and here you want to search for search. Okay, search for search. Okay, as you can see, it says here a handy search bar for your users to find the needed content on your site. Click on search. After that, it will give you guys different templates here. Now you can either for example add this template, or you can select this one. As you can see, this is how it looks. The first one, the second one, this is how it looks. This embedded search, this is how it looks. It looks blue, it looks like clickable, people will be able to recognize it. This one again, I think I will go with the okay, I'm going to go with the blue one. Okay, click on continue with this template, and then what you guys need to do next, you want to click on publish in the top right. Okay, after that you want to click on select here, which is the free plan. You don't really have to pay for the basic to use this. Click on select the first plan, and you want to copy this code. Okay, it says here copy code. Now this code, we are going to paste it on our Google site. So click on copy, go back to Google site, and I'm going to okay, now here you want to open your Google site. Okay, and what you guys need to do next, as you can see, you can find here pages and themes and insert. Now you want to click on insert here, and as you can see, you can find here text box and drive images. Now what you guys need to do, you want to click on embed. Okay, after you click on embed, you want to click on embed code, and here you want to paste that code that you have copied from here. You want to paste it here, and then click next. And as you can see, this is the search. It says here search the site. You want to click on insert. Now after that, this is the search button that we want. You can put it anywhere you want. For example, you can put it here. Okay, you can put it here, or you can put it here. Okay, people will click on search the site, and you will be able to search for any service you have or news you have on your Google site. Now after that, guys, what you guys need to do next is to click on preview so that you can see how it looks inside your site. Okay, as you can see, the search the site, and then people, if they search for example for example, as you can see, get it. Okay, now if you have the search engine ID and API key, you want to add them when you are trying to get the code here. Before before they give you the code, they will ask you guys to add the search engine ID and API key within the widget settings. Now as you can see here, guys, this is the search, and people will be able to search for anything. Okay, for example, just search. I only have one one item here, so people will not be able to to use the search button. Okay, now that's exactly, guys, how you can add the search button to your Google site. If this video helped you, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. If you need any help, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. This is how it looks on the mobile version. Okay, so hopefully this video, guys, helped. If it does, leave a like, and see you guys in the next video.